In the sprawling, crime-ridden landscape of Gotham City, one figure stands out, a force of nature as deadly as she is beautiful. We see her commanding vines to tear down buildings, her kiss delivering a fatal toxin, and her eyes filled with a righteous fury for the planet she calls mother. This is Pamela Iley, better known as Poison Ivy, the character who blurs the line between villain and tragic hero, whose methods force us to question the very nature of justice. But what if this fictional eco-warrior has roots in the dark soil of real-world history? Poison Ivy's psychological profile is a complex tapestry of trauma and conviction. Her eco-terrorism stems from a profound misanthropy, a deep-seated belief that humanity is a virus and she is the cure. She sees the destruction of the natural world and concludes that the only logical solution is to eradicate the cause. But her methods are not just brute force. Ivy is a master manipulator, using her knowledge of botany to create powerful pheromones and toxins that bend others to her will. This isn't just a superpower. It's a reflection of a brilliant, strategic mind. Yet beneath the thorns lies a sympathetic anti-villain. Her tragic origins, often involving betrayal and abuse at the hands of men, fuel her warped sense of justice, making her a dangerously relatable figure. This archetype of the woman who wields poison as her weapon is not confined to comic book panels. History gives us Giulia Tofana, a 17th century Italian professional poisoner. Like Ivy, she used her expertise in toxins to empower other women, creating a concoction called Acqua Tofana to help them escape abusive marriages. While her motives were more personal than planetary, the parallel is undeniable. A woman using forbidden knowledge to deliver what she saw as justice. We can also look to a more modern, tragic figure like Aileen Wuornos. While her crimes were brutal and her motives debated, her life was defined by a traumatic past. This echoes Ivy's own descent, reminding us how profound trauma can twist a person's moral compass, leading them down a path of darkness and violence in a desperate search for control. So, while Poison Ivy may be a product of fiction, her story reflects a dark truth found in the annals of true crime. The parallels between her crusade and the actions of figures like Tofana and Wuornos reveal a fascinating intersection of empowerment, trauma, and vengeance. It forces us to ponder the thin, green line between a righteous cause and monstrous actions, and to consider the darkness that can take root in the human heart when it is pushed to the breaking point.